If your Delta Executor is showing a Roblox upgrade error, follow these steps. Go to your Android device settings. Uninstall the outdated version of Delta Executor. Install the latest version Delta Executor 2, 630.577 APK. Open the Chrome browser on your Android device and go to alexecutor.com. Verify that you are not a robot. Scroll down and click on the Notify Me option. If any pop-up ads appear, close them and return to the main website. Click on the Allow option to receive Delta Executor updates directly to your Chrome browser notifications. Scroll down again until you find the latest version of the Delta Executor APK download button. Download and install the latest version.